Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in our today's session. First, we start with our assembly. So, all of you stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, and pray with me. Start. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे, तू स्वर की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। मुनियों ने समझी है, गुणियों ने जानी, मुनियों ने समझी है, गुणियों ने जानी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की वाणी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की वाणी। हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे, अज्ञानता के मिटा दे अंधेरे, अज्ञानता के मिटा दे अंधेरे, उजालों का हमको संसार दे माँ, उजालों का हमको संसार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। Rub your palms, touch to your eyes and open your eyes slowly. How you feel, students? You feel refreshed? Good? Yes? Now, students, thought of the day. And thought of the day is, do what is right, not what is easy. Do what is right, not what is easy. Many students attempt the exam and they got 13 marks, 14 marks. But they again attempt the exam and they got 20 marks, means out of marks. How? Because in the first attempt they know all the correct answers, and second time they write down all correct answers and they got 20 marks. But it is right? No, students, it is not right. It means they cheat themselves. Okay? And it is not good. It's a easy way. It's a easy way to got 20 out of 20 marks. Yes, but it is not right. I share this with you because thought of the day is do what is right. Always do the thing which is right. Don't do the thing which is easy but it's not right. Understand? Our GK question is, who is known as the ship of desert? And the answer is camel. Camel is known as ship of desert. Why? It is the only mean of transportation found in desert, which helps human being go from one place to another easily in the desert. Okay, it helps human being to go from one place to another easily in the desert. It has humps which helps it to survive long dry periods without water. It has a hump. Okay, so it helps him to survive long dry periods without water. His feet, camel feet, are thick, which help it to move on the hot sand easily. Because of these reasons, camel is known as ship of desert. All of you understand? Camel is called the ship of desert. Now, we will revise the chapter first and then we will start with our workbook part.
Do families eat? Summary. We eat our meals at regular intervals of time. Members of a family have their meals together. We eat breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, light snacks in the evening, and dinner at night. The good practices that should be followed while having food together are called table manners. Family members help one another. The eating habits of different families are different.
It's different meals of the day. We eat our meals at regular interval of time. Yes, we eat our meals at regular interval of time. We get breakfast in the morning. Then lunch in the afternoon. Then light snacks in the evening. And dinner at 9. So morning meal, which we call breakfast. Then afternoon, lunch. Evening, snacks time. And night, dinner time. Okay? So these are the different meals of a day. Eating practices in the family. While having meals together, family members follow some good practices. These are called table manners. Okay? While having meals together, family members follow some good practices. These are called table manners. Yes? Now, what are the table manners? What we learn in our lesson? See, always say please when you ask for food. Always say please give me water, please give me food. So always say please when you ask for food. second is remember to say thank you when you are served something. Remember to say thank you when you are served something. Then do not talk with food in your mouth. Do not talk when food in your mouth. It is not good for our health. Then fourth one is take care not to spill food on the table. Take care while eating. Don't spill the food on the table. Yes. Do not watch TV or play with phones while eating. Do not watch TV or play with phones while eating. So when we are eating, we have to concentrate on our food. Okay? Don't watch mobile and eat. Don't watch TV and eat. Okay? So do not watch TV or play with phones while eating. Always finish all the food on your plate. Always finish all the food on your plate. Yes, don't waste the food because many people don't get the food to eat. So don't waste. Okay? Always finish all the food on your plate. Then wait till everyone has finished eating. Okay? Don't leave the table. After everyone finish eating, then you can leave. Okay? So you have to wait till everyone has finished eating. So these are the table manners. How can you help your family members during dinner time? Setting the table, clearing the dishes and cleaning the dishes. This way you can help your family members during dinner time. Amazing fact. Okay? Amazing fact related to this lesson. In Ethiopia, food is always shared from a single plate. Okay? In a single plate, they share the food without using spoon and forks. Okay? Without using spoon or forks. Then, how eating practices differ in families? See, all family members eat same type of meal. Yes, students? All family members eat same type of meal? No, they not eat same type of meal. Eating habits differ in families. Okay? Eating habits differ in families. Some families prefer to use fork or spoons to have their meals. Okay? In some families, they use hand to eat the food. Families sit around a dining table and their meal. Okay? And have their meal. Some families sit around a dining table and have their meal. Some families prefer to sit on a mat. Yes, some families prefer to sit on a mat or floor to have their meal. These are the eating practices differ in families. Okay, students? Now we will start with our workbook part. Now, students, the new words. First is S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks. Okay? S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks. Then second one is intervals. 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 Then third one is BREAKFAST. Breakfast. Now say with me, students. BREAKFAST. Breakfast. Then practices. 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 Then household. 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 Then imagine. 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 Then next word is Ethiopia. 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 Then eating habits. EATINGHABITS. Eating habits. Then table manners. TABLEMANNERS. Table manners. Okay. Then prefer. 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 Okay. All of you write this all words, new words for 5 times. Okay. Each for 5 times. What do we call the meal we have in the afternoon? And options are A. Breakfast, B. Dinner, C. Lunch, D. Snacks. So breakfast which we have in the morning. Yes. Then after that lunch. Yes, in the afternoon. Snacks time in the evening. And at night dinner time. Yes. So here the answer is B. Lunch. The meal which we have in the afternoon is called lunch. Okay. Then second, members of Kunal family members of Kunal family go out for work early in the morning. Members of Kunal's family go out to work early in the morning. They come back late in the evening. For which meal would they sit together? Okay, so in the morning they go for work, okay, and they come back late in the evening. Okay, so for which meal would they sit together? And here the options are A, lunch, B, dinner, C, breakfast, and D, all of this. Okay, so again, in the morning breakfast time, in the afternoon lunch time, in the evening snacks time, and at night dinner time. Correct? So here these family members go out for work and come late at night. Okay, come back late in the evening. So after evening dinner time was there. So here the answer is dinner time, dinner. Okay, option B, dinner. Okay students, all of you understand? Then see here, fill in the blanks using the correct word from the bracket. We have to fill in the blanks using the correct word which they give in the brackets. Okay, so usually at dinner time dash share what happened at school during the day. Okay, and options are parents and children, parents or children. Okay, here the options are parents or children. Usually at dinner time, yes, dash share what happened at school. Okay, usually at dinner time dash share what happened at school. So school, who is going to school? Children go to the school. So who will share what happened at the school? Children. So here the option is children. Okay, usually at dinner time children share what happened at school during the day. Okay, then fourth is we eat dash in the morning, and options are breakfast and lunch. Okay, in the morning breakfast time, yes, so here the answer is breakfast. Lunch we have in the afternoon. Okay, so we eat breakfast in the morning. Then very short answer questions. With whom do we most often have our meals? With whom do we most often have our meals? We have our meals with our family, with our family members. So here the answer is family. Okay, family. Whom do we have? Do we most often have our meals? Okay. Then sixth question. What do we eat in the evening? Okay. In the evening, snacks time means we eat chiwda, khakra, okay, or milk. Yes, this type. So we eat in the evening snacks. Why are some family members unable to have lunch with the family? Why they are unable to have lunch with the family? And answer is, some family members go out to study or work. Okay, so they are unable to have lunch with the family. Okay, family members go out to study or work, so they are unable to have lunch with the family. Yes. Then, true or false? Do not talk while there is a food in your mouth. So it's true or false? True. Don't talk when there is a food in your mouth. Okay? So here the answer is true. Then ninth is, spill the food on the table. Spill the food on the table. No. Here the answer is false. Do not spill the food on the table. Do not spill the food on the table. And here the answer is false. Then 10th is, always finish all the food on your plate. Always finish all the food on your plate. True. We have to finish all the food on our plate. Don't waste the food. Then watch TV while eating. No, don't watch TV while eating. Yes, we have to concentrate on our meal. Okay, so don't watch TV while eating. So here is, watch TV while eating. So it's true or false? It false. And the answer is false. Okay. Then short answer questions. What are table manners? Okay. Table manners means say please when you have some food. Say thank you when you are served some food. Okay. And these are the don't spill the food. Okay. Don't talk when you are eating. Okay. Don't watch TV or mobile while eating. So these all are the table manners. So here, what are table manners? Table manners are some good practices which family members follow during meals. Okay? Table manners are some good practices which family members follow during meals. Okay? So these all are table manners. Okay? Table manners are some good practices which family members follows during meals. Then 13 question. What should we say? What should we say while asking for food when we are eating together? We should say please while asking for food when we are eating together. So whenever you want any type of food or any food item, you have to say please and then ask for the food. Okay? So what should we say while asking for food when we are eating together? We should say please while asking for food when we are eating together. Okay, students? Now, the 14th question. Look at the picture below. How the boy helping his family members. Okay. Look at the picture here. How is the boy helping his family members? And options are A. By setting the table for a meal. B. By cleaning the bowls. C. By watching TV. And D. By cleaning the spoons. So here in this picture, the boy setting the table for a meal. Okay, the boy setting the table for a meal. So the correct answer is A. By setting the table for a meal. Then 15th question. Which of the following is not a good practice? Okay? Which of the following is not a good practice? Ria takes her meal with her family. A. B is Mona helps her mother in cleaning the dishes. C. Ronnie helps to set the table for dinner. And option D is parents of a child do not let him go to the school. So here, what is the question? Which of the following is not a good practice? Okay. So, Ria takes a meal with the family. This is good thing. Then Mona helps her mother cleaning the dishes. This is also a good thing, good practice. Ronnie helps to set the table for dinner. It's also a good thing. So parents of a child do not let him go to the school. So it's not a good practice. So here the answer is D. Option D. Okay. Then 16th question. How do you help your family members during meal time? Okay. How do you help your family members during meal time? So here responses are given, but you have to choose which one you are doing in the meal time. First is setting the table. Second is clearing the table. Third is cleaning the dishes. So what you are doing? You are setting the table. So write down setting the table, or clearing the table. Write down clearing the table. Cleaning the dishes. Write down cleaning the dishes. Okay. So here, what I help my family members during meal time. So I will write down here cleaning the dishes. Now our 17th question. Viru is a child of your age. He works in a shop. He does not go to school. Say right or wrong. What do you think so? Okay. Viru is a child of your age. He works in a shop. Where he works? He works in a shop. He does not go to school. He is not going to school. Say right or wrong. What do you think so? Answer is it is wrong. He should go to school so that he can play, make friends and learn new things. Okay? He should go to school so that he can play, make friends and learn new things. Okay? Working in the shops, he don't get any knowledge from this. Okay? If he go to the school, he will learn some new things. Okay? Viru is a child of your age. He works in a shop. He does not go to school. Say right or wrong. Why do you think so? It is wrong. He should go to school so that he can play, make friends and learn new things. Find out from your friends about the eating practices in their family. Okay? Find out from your friends about the eating practices in their family. Find out whether they are the same as those in your family or are they different. Okay? They are following the different habits or different practices in the family or the same. So here, praying before eating, following table manners, type of food they eat and so on. So we will write down here the family, my friend's family member, pray before eating. Okay? And they follow the table manners like us. Okay? So praying before eating and they follow the table manners like we do. So here you write down the answer. Now students, we will watch a video related to this lesson.
One enjoys sitting down to eat good food. And mealtime can be even more fun when a friend joins us. Until things get out of hand, that is. This greedy guest is spoiling mealtime by forgetting some important ways of behaving called table manners. Without table manners, mealtime becomes mess time. And we may become very unwelcome at a friend's table. Wouldn't you feel better by using good manners and being welcome wherever you go? Whether you're eating at home with your family, or alone, or at school, or in a restaurant, or if you are a guest in someone's home, you should always use good table manners. Manners are important wherever you go. But why should we use good manners? Well, for one thing, they can help us stay healthy. For example, if we eat with dirty hands, the germs in the dirt can get on our food and then into our bodies, and that could make us sick. So, it's good manners and good sense to wash our hands with plenty of soap and warm water before coming to the table. It's also important to keep the place where we eat clean. Would you want to eat in an area that looks like this? Remember, we often share eating areas with others. So you have to think about the feelings of those around you and those who will be eating here after you leave. Eating slowly and neatly makes visiting with your friends a lot more fun. But where do good table manners begin? Right at the beginning, of course. And that means setting the table. Set it nice and neat. Forks on the left, knives and spoons on the right. And not everyone uses knives and forks, but if you do, be sure to use them properly. Hold the fork in one hand and the knife in the other if you need to cut your food. Of course, some food is supposed to be eaten with your hands, like corn on the cob or watermelon. But be careful with those seeds. Don't make a mess like Goofy does. You can eat lots of food with your hands on a picnic, but remember, make sure to wipe your hands with a napkin, not with your clothes. When you're eating with a group, you should wait until everyone is served before you begin to eat. It's never good manners to grab or fight over food. Always pass food carefully and politely. And keep your elbows off the table. Hey, you're eating too fast. Slow down and enjoy your food. And keep your face out of your plate. Only dogs and cats eat like that. Remember to bring the food to your mouth. And speaking of mouths, never speak when your mouth is full of food. Always remember the 3 magic words of good manners. Please, thank you, and may I. Try this. Food isn't a toy, so don't play with it. Keep in mind that some nice person went to the trouble of making your meal for you to enjoy. Tigers don't like honey. Instead, quietly leave it on your plate, but make sure you at least taste it once before you decide you don't like it. This is especially important if you are a guest in someone's home. And when you're finished eating, ask if you may be excused before leaving the table. Then remember to clean up your own eating area when you're finished. When you use good table manners, you'll show everyone you know how to behave at the table. Your friends will enjoy eating with you, and best of all, you'll feel good about yourself because you're eating the right way.
I hope all you understand the lesson, and thank you, students.